Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedunner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give a brief introduction about yourself, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi, this is Archana Agarkar, HOD of Interior Design Department from National Skill Art Management Institute, Kharghar. I have done my bachelor's in interior design from Kolhapur and I'm into academics since 16 years. This is my 16th year and I would like to say the journey is amazing as it's my passion to teach and I love to interact with students. If you talk about my academics, my personal academics, so I was a student of the year. And I have been a juror for MSBT since 16 years. Also paper moderator, question paper setter for MSBT, and I have been to the various colleges before as well. So yeah, this is my journey till now.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held a key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector, ma'am?
Yeah, as I told you, it's my passion. So the most important thing being a teacher is the satisfaction at the end of the day. You know that I have touched the lives of students in a better way, and what else is more better or rewarding to see our student soaring high into their careers. We are the part of their dreams and we are guiding them, mentor them to achieve their dreams. So all these things, and the most again an important thing is like being a faculty or a teacher, you always feel like a student who's enjoying the college life. With student it feels young.
Being the HOD in Interior Department of NSM Academy, what are your roles and responsibilities, ma'am?
Okay, so yeah, I am a HOD, but being a teacher or being a faculty itself is a responsibility. So what I focus is, of course, a bit of administration or the balance between administration and management and student. The thread is, of course, myself. But apart from that, what are the difficulties of student? How, like, what are they facing academically as well as into their personal life? So we try to interact with them to solve their personal problems as well, because somewhere this generation needs people to talk. Everyone needs basically. So this thing helps them to learn or to freshen up their mind, and once we understand what their problem is actually or what they are actually in search of, it becomes more easy for us to teach them and upgrade them.
Do you have any extracurriculum activity or program to enhance the skills of students?
Yeah, we do have, and I'm very glad and proud to announce this. We have our own annual design fest named as Kalapalooza. So here what we do, we actually, it's a competition based event. So our student design a particular interior design set, a live set on particular theme or particular concept, and they exhibit all these things on a bigger platform where we invite all the renowned designers and architects and celebrities to encourage our students, and it's a competition based thing, and from all those setups we choose one designer of the year. This is our personal thing, and apart from this we have various workshops which help them to inculcate design into their life, to understand what is the factors those are important in design, the elements, the colors and all such things. Then we have personal this site visits where we took students on various sites so that they can understand how life projects are done. Market survey we introduced to understand the trends in markets, what are the materials, what are the pricing and costing and possibilities. Other than that, we also invite industry experts just to enhance their students' knowledge so that they can understand what people are doing and how this field, doing interior designing is it gives you multiple career options, not only interior designing, but there are n numbers of options. So we try our student to get knowledge so that they can go for a wider perspective. So these are few things.
How does the curriculum of NSM ensure that students are being prepared for the future?
Okay, so these all things are there, and apart from that, we personally focus on our teaching skills. So we constantly, you can say regularly, upgrade our syllabus, our teaching methods, and we keep mind in that what trend is going on and how we can make teaching process or learning process more easier, more funny, and they can learn more of that. So this is what we do.
What are your innovations and approaches you bring apart from the curriculum?
This is the best part I can say. So see, a designer or a person is not just process product of particular thing, like सिर्फ पढ़ने से or just being educated is not the thing. So I personally like to talk with my students or discuss like other designers, of course, because it's a mainstream, right, designing. So other designers, movies, books, history, culture, life experiences, so that they can understand what actually life is, and this makes their vision a bit wider and they can think in different ways कि oh अच्छा ये भी life को impact करता है. And only studying or just acquiring the academics is not the thing, because to tackle life you need a wider perspective than just study. So I definitely like to do this, and I think very good practice. It connects us with student with a more interesting thing. So सिर्फ lectures bore नहीं होते, they know कुछ extra भी मिलने वाला है.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Absolutely. The important thing is, guys, stay curious, face the challenges, and always try to pursue your dream. Never give up. The life is beautiful thing.
It was pleasure talking to you and interviewing your thoughts on education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Same here.